Welcome to Country Corner. In today's episode, I'm going to show you, I found this old metal toolbox. Someone was throwing it away and it was a little rusted and it was just aluminum. And I decided what I'd do was I'd paint it. And so I did that. And then I had found these decals that you can place anywhere. Just sheets of them. And these are all salt box houses, which I love, and you've seen the one I did with the stars, so I've got those now. I'll probably do more projects with that. And what I did was I put them on the front. I just put a house in the middle, and then I put the tree on each side, and I thought that turned out pretty nice. And then I have these stars, and they're kind of cute. I like them. They're magnets. So since this is metal, I can just put them on the sides, which I think turned out pretty good. And then now I decided I'm going to fill it. So I did go out and get a pack of stranded berries. So to put the whole thing in. Some of these out so you can see them. And then I have a plate. It says, "Welcome to our home." I had used it somewhere else and decided I didn't want to use it anymore, so it was just sitting in a cabinet. So I thought, well, that'll look kind of nice in there. So I put that in there. And then I have a little saltbox house. I've used that in other projects and other shows, but I kind of just changed some things around, and so I've used that there. And then I have this little sheep. I like him, so I figured I'll put him down here in the front on the plate. And then I have my star here, cast iron star. So I thought I would take it, since I'm not using it, hanging it on the wall right now, I'll just kind of set it on the side right there. So, there you go. Took a few things that I had. Found something that someone threw away, and there we go. I think it turned out pretty good. So thanks for watching, and as always, have a great day.